What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. I am out here in Virginia showing off a theater demo. I'm going to be showing 6 Underground, a quick little clip on this RS2000 back here with a DefTech 524 Atmos system. And we are using an Elite Screens 158-inch screen here. So I hope that you guys enjoy this demo. If you'd like to buy anything, make sure to reach out and show your support. We have nationwide free shipping and the lowest price guaranteed. All right, let's get into this demo.
The boat's moving. That's bad.
All right, guys, that is a wrap on that demo. I hope that you enjoyed it and it gave you some inspiration. What a cool room. If you would like to purchase anything home theater related or 2-channel audio, you know we're getting into that hi-fi 2-channel, give us a ring. We have nationwide free shipping and the lowest price guaranteed, as well as a free design service. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. If you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.